Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Google Play Store onto your iPhone without jailbreaking. Now, I know that this sounds a little weird, but this is real. As you can see, I have the fully working Play Store right here, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. It's super insane, guys, and this is updated, and it is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it, so let's get right into the video. Guys, so as you can see, we have the Play Store right here, and all the apps and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's super insane, guys, and it actually works. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this site called ZooMods, because this site has tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in Play Store, okay? So as you can see, it says Play Store mod. So yeah, this is super cool, guys, so be sure to go and try it out for yourself. This is super insane. It actually works pretty well. So yeah, it's pretty wild, as you can see right here, Play Store. So yep, this is super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to go and try it out, because I've always been looking for the Play Store download, but I couldn't find it, but now I have it. So yeah, it's super cool, guys, as you can see right here. So yeah, super insane. Look at that, bro. Yeah, it's super insane. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download it. So yeah, just go over to ZooMods and you can get the fully working Play Store, guys, onto your device. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super crazy and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome, and it's totally updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yes, it's super cool, and it's like updated and everything like that. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yes, it's like updated Play Store, guys, for your devices. So I'm going to see you guys later. And I hope you guys have it installed onto your device right now. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel and peace out, guys. This is super cool, bro.